Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer clearance priced value from Parkway RV Center. I'm about to show you one of the best buys on the internet in a travel trailer for under $10,000. This is a 2011 Zinger by Crossroads 260 BL. About a 28-foot long travel trailer with a slide. It's in very nice condition. Clearance priced $89.95, folks. That's what you're going to pay for a 2003 or 2004 model. You can see it's got what they call the HD Max on the front, which is the travel trailer version of full body paint. All fiberglass exterior, got a big 3-foot deep super slide. Stripes and finish look great. This was a trade-in. And got a nice layout for this small of a camper. Of course, your spares on the back. Got the HD Max on the back as well. Outside shower. Got an awning. Got a cargo loading door that actually goes up underneath the bunk beds, so you can load bicycles and all your gear and cargo without having to carry it through the camper to store it. Got outside speakers for your stereo. Let's look inside. Now, folks, I don't have the weight. Well, hang on a second. Let me see if it's on this sticker. I don't have the weight, and it's not on the sticker, but I will definitely look that up and post it in the body of the ad if you want to look that up. And it's hard to believe you can buy this camper, folks, for $89.95. It really is. But like I've said in my previous videos, we're not getting out of travel trailers entirely. But we just want to trade for them only. We're not going to purchase them anymore. We want to use this space that we have our travel trailer lineup on to park motorhomes, fifth wheels, and toy haulers, which is our bread and butter. And so we've marked all the existing inventory down to cost, most of them underneath cost. So basically, you're buying these things for what dealers pay for them. And you also get a lot of the benefits of a dealer sale, instead of for sale by owner or less than a for sale by owner price. Inside, folks, you've got a queen bed in the front. You can walk around the front of it there. These doors, you've got both privacy doors are solid. You got overhead storage. Got the tall roof in here. It's got the, I'd say, about 6'10" roof. You've got a place for a TV, and now this TV, if you open up these rear doors, will swivel around and you can watch TV from the bedroom without having to carry an extra set. Jensen audio system with inside and outside speakers. Got the etched glass cabinets right here. These are solid cabinets. Got the nice countertops. It's not really Corian, folks, but it's more of a solid surface countertop than just a standard RV countertop. Got a good shine to it. Not much carpet in here. I like that. The only carpet is in the slide out. You've got a queen size pull out sleeper sofa. You've actually got a table booth that 2 adults can sleep in comfortably. 6 cubic foot refrigerator, Dometic 2-way RV refrigerator freezer. Stove top and oven, and you can look at the stove eyes, folks. Very little use showing on it. Got a microwave, a double sink, cabinets, 2 bunks in the back corner. Rear bathroom. Of course, they figured, with a bunkhouse, you're going to have kids, so they actually put a tub in here. Look at the skylight. I don't see any signs of leak damage in this camper whatsoever. Of course, RV toilet, medicine cabinet, and sink. It's a nice camper, folks. It's a bargain for the price. Now, we've got 3 different clearance prices, and let me go over that for a minute. And if you need to look, I'm going to post everything I'm about to say on the ad posting in the text of the ad. And if you're looking at this on YouTube, of course, read the YouTube video description, and it'll tell you all this too. We have 3 different prices. The one I've advertised it for is the middle price. We have option 1, 2, and 3. Option 1, the price is $9,495. That includes a 2011 Zinger 260 BL in great shape. It includes it's pretty much the worry-free, stress-free option. Includes an extensive major systems check by our certified RV techs to be completed after purchase. Uh-oh. Let my camera focus here, folks. And y'all have to forgive my camera. Okay, there we go. It includes $94.95 includes the inspection. Will be completed after purchase. Of course, you can always contact us, get a copy of that inspection sheet, what all it covers, and what the current lead time is for a travel trailer checkout, which isn't long at all. Also includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. It's nationwide, folks. Not one just through us, but it's through a warranty company that's pretty much accepted everywhere. That's included. Also included is after it's been through service, been checked out, cleaned up, ready to go, service manager will call you, set an appointment. You'll come in, get your walk-through demonstration. And the RV tech that checked it out will show you how to operate every little thing on this camper, how to hook it up at the campground, answer any questions. He'll show you anything he had to repair on it to make it pass the inspection, and he'll help you hook it to your vehicle and everything. That's included for the $94.95 price. Get a 30-day temp tag, starter kit, and instructional DVD also included with all three options. And with the option the option 1, you also get a year of free camping at select RV resorts nationwide. These are $100 a night campgrounds. These are not your run-of-the-mill state park or KOA. And for the first year, you get up to 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time. Of course, you'll have to call, make reservations. Select RV resorts nationwide, and these are I've gotten some tremendous positive feedback, folks. I'm going to try it out myself here in a couple of weeks, hopefully. And there are several of them here on the eastern seaboard. Anyway, folks, that's included. $94.95 out the door, no extra fees. It is plus sales tax. All prices are plus tax if you're a Georgia resident. All out-of-state residents pay your state sales tax rate when you tag and title this camper in your home state at your local DMV office. Option 2 is what I advertise it for, is $89.95, and that's everything included. That's included with option 1 except the 90-day nationwide limited warranty is not included at option 2. Option 3 is the lowest priced option. It's $86.95. Folks, that's buying the camper. That's it. No inspection, no walkthrough, no warranty, no demonstration, no camping. Just hook into your vehicle and go price only. That's $86.95. All three of those prices with the services provided are haggle-free, firm, no matter if you're paying cash, trade, finance, or a combination of the three. Look this camper up online, folks. You're buying a $14,000 camper for under $9,000, or excuse me, under $9,500 if you get all the features and options that are included with it. Like I said, we've got these marked down to dealer costs. We're just wanting rid of them. Any questions, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. Financing available with approved credit. Minimum down payment of 10% is required. Also, folks, nationwide deliveries available. You know, I'm not expecting you to decide on option 1, 2, or 3 based on my video or my description or pictures, but what you can do is come look at this RV in person. Let us know you're coming with a minimum 24-hour notice, and we'll run a generator out here or plug it into power and have everything, have the air on, have the fridge on for you, and you can do your own inspection of this camper. And then decide if you want to do option 1, 2, or 3. All three of those prices, again, are haggle-free, firm. Trust me, folks, I know what these things bring online even more than you do. This is the lowest priced one out there for a 2011 Zinger in this kind of condition. This is a nice camper, folks. Believe me, this camper right here will bring 12.9 every bit as fast as it will $89.95. So, like I said, we're just marking them down, moving them, and check it out while it lasts, which won't be long. 706-965-7929 is our office number. After hours sales only is 423-605-6747. See our entire inventory of used RVs on our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Got about 140 in stock. We're trying to stock back up, folks. We're selling these things quicker than we can replace them. And like I said, we're not getting out of the travel trailer business, but we're just carrying the bare minimum after we sell these. And the only thing we're going to carry is stuff we trade for. We're not going to go out and buy them anymore. So if you've got a trade-in, don't let that deter you. We're still going to trade for travel trailers and give you the same amount trade-in as always. But like I said, as far as buying these things to resell, we're no longer going to buy travel trailers to resell. We're just going to trade for them. So, you may only see 4 or 5 travel trailers here at any given time after we get rid of these right here. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, call us, email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Let us know if we can help, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.